Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i M Sport Edition in Alpine White. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i M Sport Edition in Alpine White. So we have yet again another special edition in Canada, and this time it's the X1. So this is a package that of course has the M Sport design along with some other features in a curated package that gets you a whole bunch of different stuff at a great value and better residuals, that kind of thing, as per usual on our M Sport editions. So currently we have an X3, an X5, and an X1 M Sport edition all at the same time. So now that we've done this lap all the way around the car, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got Alpine White, classic BMW color, also on many M cars as well. And you can see here that we've got the lines on the hood running down lengthwise. We have the rondelle up front. We have the one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the vertical slats. Front-facing camera is here as well. And you can see we've got the M Sport design. So we have the functional air ducts and all these little grills down here. And these are active grille shutters which will open when the car needs to breathe. Now if we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see we have the inverted L-shape headlights. These are the BMW LEDs. So when the lights are on, you can see all these little intricate patterns on the side and on the front as well. So front of the car looks actually really awesome. Now if we come around here to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 871 in midnight gray burnished. So these are the wheels for the M Sport Edition. And of course we have the body colored over fender. We have the body colored rocker panel with the black insert there. And we've got black side mirrors, black roof rails, panoramic roof up top, black window surrounds as well, and this one was tinted. We also have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. There's your rear 871M wheel, and up top we have the spoiler, rear wiper arm, and you can see we've got the rear tail lights on, beautiful L-shaped tail lights. And on the side, you can see that we've got all these little triangle patterns, which look great. BMW rondelle in the back. We also have the rear view camera. And on either side, you'll see that we have the vertical reflectors. And down here, we have the rear diffuser as well. So that looks all really good. So I've got the key with me, so I'm just going to do a quick kick underneath the middle of the car. That's going to open up hands-free. We have a cargo cover here to hide your contents. The cargo cover can be removed if you don't need it here. We have the grocery bag hangers on each side, so there's 4 in total. Little netted area on this side. Plastic bin on this side with the 12-volt plug and some illumination. And if I fold this up, you'll see we have more space. These are the carpeted mats. There's a little kit here that has your wheel lock key and tow hook. And we have your tire inflator kit plus. And up top, there's a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we've got the key, so we can definitely just kick our foot underneath. On the passenger side, we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to open this or hold this, and it's just clockwise, one click to close it. All right, so if I open up that rear door, you'll see that we have the Castanea interior inside. So we've got the Harman Kardon sound system, door pull, window switch. There's your speaker mesh there. We've got pockets on the door. Here's your Castanea seats inside. That looks sweet. Headrest can flip up or flip down. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. And we've got a string here, another string there, another string over there. So 3 strings, pull the string, seats fold down in a 40-20-40 split. And when I bring it up, there are 1, 2, 3 positions for recline. Up top, we got the black headliner, panoramic roof. We also have the handle, coat hanger, and light, which is on both sides. And down here, we have the optional rubber mats with some illumination underneath the front seats with some ventilation. Some more vents on the back of the center console with 2 USB Type-C charging ports and a little storage tray at the bottom. So let's shut this door. We'll open up the front door next. It's a little bright in here, but you can kind of see the M welcome light carpet shining down here. And if I touch and open here, so we've got some stitching going across the door panel, Harman Kardon sound system, unlock, lock, door pull, window switch. There's your Castanea door panel with the pocket down there. Full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh, manual headrest adjustment as well. Nice bolstering on the seats. And along the dash, soft touch materials, stitching going across. We have the curved display with iDrive9 down here. Got your glove box. I like how the Castanea kind of continues down here. And we've got some vents, max front defrost, rear defrost, wireless charger, cup holders, USB Type-C, and 12-volt plug. Push start, gear selector, volume wheel. There's a little button you can press that opens this little storage compartment. There's more space down here. It's a bit easier to access from the driver's side since it doesn't have that thing. So let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, if we open the driver door, more stitching, Harman Kardon, memory buttons, unlock, lock, window controls. It's telling us not to roll down the windows for 3 to 5 days. We also have your side mirror controls, tailgate releases here. You can press that to open, pull and hold to close. If you'd like to close, you need the key inside. Again, full power seat with lumbar. We have the M Sport steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, head-up display. This also has the active cruise control with stop and go, so mitigates speed and distance, as well as manages for traffic jams and such. We have the rear view mirror here with the universal garage door opener buttons underneath. Up top, we've got your interior lighting and sunroof controls, microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth, handle on each side. Visor comes down, that opens, and visor can come out. And if we look down here, lighting, pedals, hood release is over here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. We got 241 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. Nice strut bar going across. Positive battery, negative battery. Washer fluid is over here. And we've got these hydraulic arms holding the hood up. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so I just need to bring the hood about halfway and literally just center down in order to close it properly. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And I'd say this is a pretty nice package, great value. And since we're at the back, got the key with me, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that is your remote engine start, cold start sound. And 1, 2, 3 again to stop it. And there's your active grille shutters opening up. And it's gonna need to breathe for a minute. And once it's done breathing, they'll close again. Just like that. So how do you like the 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i M Sport Edition in Alpine White with the Castanea interior? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i M Sport Edition in Alpine White with the Castanea interior. We got the 19s on there, and we've got some cruise control things, Harman Kardon. I think it's a pretty good package. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.